Garden Grove, I literally had to like look at my phone to see where I was. Like, what city is this again? I always forget. But we are in this city of Garden Grove, and I'm super excited to take you guys into this store. I haven't been to this one in months. I haven't been here since last year, so this is exciting. I've actually been I've been trying to make rounds of stores that I haven't been to at all this year, and I think recently I've been pretty successful. I've been going to a lot of stores I haven't been to at all, or haven't been to at least this year. So I'm excited to take you guys in there with me to see what we can find. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, and you love vlogs, do not forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here. Check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into the store now and go check it out, because I feel like there's a gem inside of there. And we are greeted with this pretty awesome Easter stuff. How cute is this though? Like, seriously. Originally $21.95, something, maybe Garden Road or something. Now $10. These are where it's at though. I really like these. Oh, this is cute too. So much cute home stuff. This is also a nice little side table, $32.99. How cute is it? Okay, you guys, I'm sorry. I'm like having a little bit of a cuteness overload at the moment. $3.99. This is like a cute little jar thing. Oh, it's a candle. Oh, a candle holder. Threshold $7.99. Okay. Okay. Unicorn, this is a good sign. Let's check out the handbags. See if there's anything cool. Oh, it's a see-through bag. You know, I'm a sucker for like a see-through bag. Like, I don't really like bags with plastic or anything, but just give me a good see-through PVC bag and I am a happy camper. Have you guys seen the Hermes one? They like, that one is like a pretty popular one. They gave them out like during a couple of the fashion shows or something. They are so cool, and I've been on the hunt for like a reasonably priced real one. I've found like a few like I think fake ones, but I no longer have them. So what is this? Made in Italy, something girl, genuine leather. Oh, okay, back to my story. I want like a really cool, like clear bag for summer. I think that'd be so much fun. The Chanel ones are so cute too, but those are so expensive. But I mean, anything Chanel is. Speaking of Chanel, that looks very familiar. Like a Chanel. Okay, so far, no handbags as of yet. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. You're not supposed to shake current Polaroid pictures anymore though. That is like a common misconception. Look through the wallets and stuff, didn't really see anything. Oh, time out. Dooney Bourke doctor bag. How stinking cute is this bag? Oh no. Oh no, I love it. Made in Italy hot dog, $14.99. Not in horrible condition. Sold, you guys. This is amazing. How cute is this bag? Love it. Have you guys heard of this brand, Hayden Harnett? I think I have to look it up. But, I mean, it's a nice leather bag, right? Some wallets up at the register. This Michael Kors is actually pretty cute. Oh, nope, it's torn. Sorry, wallet. Look at how epic this chair is. So cool. I know that's a Target chair. I kind of want to know what the price is. No, I don't want to know, because I don't have anywhere to put it. It's just gonna make me sad. This is also very nice. This is an outdoor table. Really cool. It's just flipped upside down at the moment. Ooh, carpets galore. Oh, look at the colors in this one. Oh, this one's an Opal House target or carpet. That's what it looks like in the photo. Right there. Some extra large lamps. This blue one is actually kind of pretty. But those are a little problematic for sending to the Philippines because you can't really fold them. And if you fold them, the shape is kind of like lost forever. Oh, it's missing the legs. And it's still $30? Yikes. Oh my gosh, look at that chair. Look at the lines of that sofa. Amazing. We're gonna go look at it in a second once we get around the corner. Look at this store, you guys. It's a really big, so it's a good size like location. Oh, it's like a playing thing for the kids. Oh my goodness. There's two of them. There's a smaller one. These sofas are epic. Like, these belong in like an anthropology store. These are so cool. I wonder how much they're asking for. 2 pieces, $200. That, oh my gosh, I just like ran into this thing right here. $200 for 2? That's amazing. Okay, like, not like I could ever buy these and put them anywhere because there's hot Cheetos in them or something. So cool, you guys. Okay, I'm done obsessing. Let's look at these polar bear lights. Table lamps, room essentials from Target. We're on like the knickknack aisle, like not like decorative knickknack, but like life knickknacks. So everything from bath bombs to spiced gingerbread cookie mix. There's random candy, river rock for vase filler, Hanukkah menorah candles, random yellow bag. Oh, these little apple things. What are these? Why are they like, they're like cast iron? These are heavy. I wonder what those are actually for. Alrighty. Dinner plates, dinner plates, dinner plates. Where art thou? Anthropology dinner plates. These are cool. I have like a red coral. I knew it was gonna be Z Gallery. Pretty nice. Now where are the matching plates? The Easter stuff is real. Oh, they have a bunch of Christmas stuff right there too. The whole like side of the aisle, it's Christmas stuff. But what do we have here? Some baking stuff. These are Pioneer Women. Nah, I was wrong. Mesa Home Reproductions. I'm currently in the glassware and checking everything really quickly to see if I can find any Tiffany's stuff because I'm on the hunt. You guys, how cool are these mugs? Oh, how adorable is this? So stinking cute. Team Jacob. Little freckled pots. Super cute. IKEA glasses. Oh, the faces. I do love a good face. As well as a candle holder. Especially if it's Tiffany's. They have like this kind of cute like foam marble planter. This one's nice. It's 40 bucks though, and it's from Target, so probably why it's so expensive. That's kind of cool. Oh, look at the canister. Thrift store is the best place to find a cheap canister because they're usually so expensive. Look at these little candle like votive holders. Aren't they so cute? They kind of look like the Louis Vuitton like floret. IKEA. Ooh, these are fun. Oh my gosh. How cute are these? I don't think they actually like go inside here, but like they kind of look cute inside. But I think they just go like this, and they're supposed to have some sort of plans, but look at that. How cute. Live trends, unique living decor. Just found this. I think this is actually from Pottery Barn. And I am right. $7.99. Speaking of Pottery Barn, here's another one. $3.99. I don't even know if I'm getting these, I'm just grabbing them because they're all matching. I think I might grab this though. This is super cute. It's just broken, like I just need to glue this back down and I can get it to work, but it's like very Gucci-esque. So I really like it. So I think I might get this. And then while I was looking at this, I also noticed this. Kindness, caring, extra sleeve. This is so cute. A nurse is calling, heirloom porcelain box. How cute. You guys, I also found this matching piece to go with it. $7. Should I get it? Do I like this as much as I like the little box? So I just need one. Decisions. Let me know what you guys would do. I have these Mercari glass spheres and they're battery powered and they light up. Kind of cool. Wow. Crystals. Hey guys, okay, so we are back at the house and I'm super excited to share with you guys what I ended up getting. I didn't really get too much, but I really like the things that I got. So, the first thing that I have here, I don't know why I got that accent first of all also, is I did get the really cute bee jar. And yes, this one is broken, but I'm just gonna glue it back together and it's gonna be fantastic. So there's like literally nothing wrong, it just got separated. And this part does open still. Just like that. So even if I didn't fix it, it's like, it still looks like a jar. I thought it was a jar actually, but then I saw that it had like the mechanisms for the lid and I was like, wait a minute, this is like literally supposed to open and close. And I think it's the cutest thing. And I think it kind of like, it's giving me all of like the Gucci vibes. And I really like that. And I love bees, even though I have been stung numerous times in my life by bees. But you know, we love them. They are nature's pollinators. They are so important to the environment. And yeah, they're bees. They're not like horrible, like not like wasps or something, which I've also been stung by, which is also very not fun. And but $4.99 for this, I think it's really cute, and there's so many uses for this. So very excited. A little trinket box like that a lot. And the next thing that I did get was I had to get this vintage Dooney Bourke. I almost always get vintage Dooney Bourke when it's made in Italy, and this is such a cute style. It's like a little mini doctor's bag. You guys, this bag is fantastic. It is a beautiful brown leather, and it's actually in really good shape considering this is definitely vintage because it's made in Italy. Has to be probably like 30 something years old. Probably around there at least. So beautiful contrasting cream stitching, and this actually is really cool because it has silver hardware. I know back then it's very rare to combine or to even have silver hardware really, especially with brown, but I think this is just so smart looking. It's beautiful and it's such a cute silhouette. And in the interior, it's also in pretty great shape. There's a little bit of lightening of the interior lining, but It's still looking fantastic. And there it is, Dooney Bourke, made in Italy. There's a zipper pocket, and then this is actually a little card pocket. And this is such a stinking cute bag, you guys. Honestly, like, what is this? When I hold it like this, it kind of looks like a Fendi Peekaboo, right? Doesn't it have like that silhouette? So darling. And I'm really excited for this bag. I don't know why. And this one was $14.99. But I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys had fun checking out that store. I haven't been there in quite some time, and I think I found some really great stuff, albeit I only found 2 things, but I mean, you only need one thing to find a treasure at the thrift store. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi down below in the comments. I always love hearing about your finds as well, so let me know. And also, if you guys ever tag me on Instagram, I would love to share your finds as well with the rest of the thrift squad. I lost my ability to speak for a second, but that is the end of the video. Love you guys so much, and see you guys all later. Bye! Ooh, look at this, like, console. So nice. $50. Oh. Okay, first of all, this is like a cool little bench thing. It's like a little broken though. Might be able to be fixed. I don't know. This is a cool outdoor chair. This one's $25. It's Opal House from Target.